Welcome to Simplync. In addition to working as a normal soft phone integrated with Lync, the Simplync toolbar adds advanced call center functions. We may use these functions to interact with queue metrics and Wombat Dialer, obtaining a powerful call center system without the cost associated with traditional solutions. Let's see an example of how this integration is done. From queue metrics, we can manage a powerful call center with plenty of reporting and control options. In this case, we will use the agent 923. We can add agents to a specific queue. These queues will be synchronized and used by Simplync. We can also define pause reason codes with different billable options. Or create specific call outcomes to mark a call. Now, if we select Log On, we will automatically be available on the queues previously assigned on queue metrics. If we need to pause temporarily on a queue, we may use the pause action and select one of the reasons previously defined. We will then pause on all the queues we were logged in on. Once we unpause the agent, we will be ready again to receive calls. If a call enters one of the queues, a pop-up will be shown on the screen, launching any URL or scripts previously defined. Agents can also use outcomes to mark calls, so we may process the information later on our reports and analytics. We can observe the queues where we are logged, as well as the status from the queues menu. Agents will also be able to check graphically the performance and statistics of the queue. Simplync can also use Wombat Dialer for outbound campaigns. Our product is shipped with customizable script language to use power dialing functions. On the configuration window, we've added some parameters that can be used by this script or your own customizations. For example, a contact URL that shows us the details of the number reserved for the call, a survey URL to connect to an external system that may be used to show an argument or questions to collect from the customer. A maximum time is given to the agent before an automatic call is done. Options are available to auto-open the contact URL or survey URL on the call without the need to press specific buttons, or even an option to disable the skip button, forcing the agent to use the first number reserved. Now let's see the script running. When the power dial script is launched, a number to call will be chosen from our Wombat Dialer campaigns. The agent may choose to call this number, but if the agent doesn't have enough information to decide whether to call or skip to the next number, he may open the CRM details. The CRM details will be launched with the data provided by Wombat Dialer. The agent will then have more information to decide if the call should be done or to ask for another number to call. Note that we may disable the skip option, forcing the agent to call the number assigned. If a think time is defined, calls will automatically be launched without waiting for the agent's action. We may also launch third-party applications, such as Lime Survey, with a questionnaire to follow, or use our visual editor to create additional advanced functions. All these scripts are customizable, so we can include our own actions, update our campaign and customer databases, or even reprogram calls in a matter of minutes. With Simplync, it is very easy to use Wombat Dialer for advanced outbound call campaigns. Simplync also has a powerful visual editor to create your own scripts. These scripts can be used to do advanced integrations, showing customer data, updating databases, or connecting to external applications. Let's do a quick example. First, we create a form. We insert 2 action buttons in our form and generate an area where we can show a specific computed text. We can modify the properties of the components using the visual scripting editor. Now, let's introduce some code for each button. The code introduced will call 2 functions we have previously defined. We can now go to the code generated by our visual editor to modify those functions and organize our coding. Finally, we will configure Simplync to run our script when a call is received. Now let's see our sample script in action. When a call is received, our script will launch. If we press the query button, we invoke a REST web service to a public database of numbers. So before we answer, we know who the company is that's calling us. We may now add that number to Wombat Dialer campaigns, update our customer databases, or add any additional action to our script. All of these powerful integrations can be done in a matter of minutes. For more information, visit simplync.net or europesip.com. Thank you for watching.